Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making a lemon poppy seed cream cheese pound cake. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Next, we're going to zest these 2 lemons. Here I have the cream cheese and butter. I typically use unsalted butter, but there was none at the store, so I'm going to use salted butter, and I just skipped adding salt to the flour mixture. Our oven has been preheated to 300 degrees, so let me grab my mixer and we can go ahead and get started. So we have our butter and cream cheese in the bowl. I'm going to start the mixer, and then I'm going to add the 3 cups of granulated sugar. Once I add the sugar, I'm going to let the mixer run for about 5 minutes until the mixture lightens in color and becomes nice and fluffy. Now I'm going to go in with my eggs one at a time, and then I'm also going to add the vanilla extract and cream bouquet. I have had a couple people ask me about cream bouquet, and it is a flavoring. It has like vanilla and citrus flavors in it. I purchased it to try it out. I personally don't have any strong feelings towards it one way or the other. I can certainly do without it. I did pay like $10 for a small bottle, so I am going to use it. Again, nothing bad to say. I just personally don't notice that big of a difference, so I'm fine just using vanilla extract. So if you don't have any, it's absolutely not necessary for this recipe. If you do have it, you can use it. I just myself wouldn't run out and grab a bottle just for this. So once I use this bottle that I have, I probably won't replace it. They do have other flavors that I may try, but just for me personally, I don't notice that big of a difference one way or another. But you can do whatever you like. Now I'm going to turn the mixer back on, gradually add the flour mixture. Once I get the flour in, I'm going to add the lemon zest and the poppy seeds. right, so let me grab the cake pan and we'll be right back. So before I grab my pan, I want to show you guys a close-up of the batter. I love the way the poppy seeds look inside. We're going to use a different pan today to bake the cake. Feeling a little festive, so I thought I would use this pan today. Now, quick note, if you have this pan and you decide to make this cake, there will be too much batter for this pan because this is a smaller bundt pan. Just a heads up, what I don't use here, I'll just bake in jumbo muffin pans. That's how I'll use the rest of the batter. But again, if you have this pan, if you go get this pan and you use this recipe, do not put it all in here. I don't even think it would all fit in here actually if you tried. It will overflow as it bakes. So again, we're going to use this. I'm going to generously spray with Pam baking spray. So now we're going to add our cake batter. So you see how much space I have left at the top of the pan. This is all I'm going to add because again, I do not want this to overflow as it bakes. I am not going to bake the muffins at the same time I bake the cake. I'm not sure exactly how long this is going to need, but I will give it an hour before I check it. I don't want to open my oven before it's been in the oven for at least an hour. Again, the oven has been preheated to 300 degrees, and as always, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove it. So while the cake is in the oven, I am going to go ahead and fill my muffin pan. This is the jumbo muffin pan I was speaking of. I am going to spray each cavity with the Pam baking spray as well. Here I have a standard ice cream scoop, and I'm just going to put 2 scoops of the batter in each of the cavities of the muffin pan. I'm going to set this aside, and once we take our cake out of the oven, I will place these in, but I'll let you guys know how long it takes for these to bake as well. Here is the cake after 1 hour, 15 minutes in the oven. We're going to let it hang out in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll turn it out onto a cake board. I was going to make a glaze, but I have decided to just do a dusting of powdered sugar on top of the cake. Just like that, our cake is done. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a closer shot, and then I'm gonna slice the cake so you can see the inside. We have made it to the end of the video. Here we have our finished product, our lemon poppy seed cream cheese pound cake. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up before you leave. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.